Alright, this game is called Race to 120, and it is a game Susan McKee taught me how to play, and it works for first graders perfectly. So you'll need a place value mat. You can use place value cubes or whatever you have. If you have Lincoln cubes, that works just fine. Dice, you can use a regular 6-sided dice, or if you have a 10-sided dice, that can be a challenge and make the game go faster for your students. I'm choosing to use a record sheet because I like to have some evidence of their work, and also 120 chart if students need help counting or adding. So those are the things we have available, and we'll go ahead and get started. So I roll, the first roll I roll a big 1, so I'm going to put 1 cube in my 1s, and my total is a 1. Roll again. I rolled a 4. So I can go ahead and write my equation. 1 is what I had, plus the 4 gives me 5. I need to put 4 more cubes over here. There we go. I roll a 2, so I'm going to put 2 more cubes over. And 2 is my roll, and I have 5 plus 2, which gives me 7. And this would continue on as many times as long as you want it to go. I roll 4. I'm going to put 4 over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have 7 plus 4. Okay, if students don't know what 7 plus 4 is, and hopefully they do, but if they don't, they can also check their work by making groups of 10. So I'm going to trade that in. I'm going to go ahead and pull out my 10. I have some sets already made over here. Let me speed this up. So that is 11. So I'll have my group of 10 here, and I'll have my 1 here. So that's my total for that one. Want to speed the game up, I can use a 10-sided die. Of course, if you just keep rolling 1s, it doesn't help. So I put my 1 over there. 11 plus 1 is 12. Rolled a 9. So now I have 12 plus 9. So I'm going to go ahead and look and pull 9 over. There's 4. And 5 more is 9. So I know that I have more than 10 in this column, so I need to make it a group of 10. There's 4, 6. There's my group of 10. So 12 plus 9, I have 2 10s and a 1 is 21. And you'll keep going, keep racing all the way to 120. My record sheet has 20 rolls on it. You can go past that. If necessary, you can just call time, play for 2 minutes, play for 3 minutes, and then call time. Help students practice making 10s and 1s and their addition facts, or even counting on as well. Enjoy Race to 120.